Welcome. Today we're diving into a handy new update on Instagram that makes replying to messages in group chats on your PC easier than ever. If you've been struggling to keep up with your group conversations, these simple steps will help you stay engaged without any hassle. First, start by opening Instagram on your computer. You can do this by navigating to the Instagram website and logging into your account. Once you're logged in, look for the messages icon located in the left menu. This icon looks like a paper airplane and is your gateway to all your direct messages. Next, click on the messages icon to access your chats. Here, you'll see a list of conversations. Find the group chat that contains the message you want to reply to. It's important to select the right group so that your response reaches the intended audience. Once you're in the group chat, scroll through the messages until you find the specific message you wish to respond to. Now, here's where the new update shines. Next to the received message, you'll notice a small reply icon or an arrow pointing right. Click on this icon, and it will open a reply box for you. Now it's time to craft your response. Type out your message in the text box provided. Make sure your reply is clear and relevant to keep the conversation flowing smoothly. After you've finished writing your message, simply click Send. Your reply will be sent directly to the group, and everyone will see which message you're responding to. And that's it. With just these few steps, opening Instagram, clicking on the messages icon, selecting the group chat, clicking the reply icon next to the message, writing your response, and hitting send, you can easily engage with your friends and keep those conversations lively. Thanks for tuning in. Now go ahead and try it out for yourself. Happy chatting on Instagram.